Hey people, what's up? Hope you're good today. We said before we will launch Analytics for Notion by the end of the month, and it will be in 2 days today. So I would just want to make some video to show you that we are going well for the launch and what we are working on. Just now we are especially make some tests just to be sure that the beta works well. Okay, so let's start. We will see what we are working on now and what you will have with the beta of Analytics for Notions in today. Okay, so let's see what we will have with Analytics for Notions on the 31st of August. On the beta that we will try. So first thing first, you have to synchronize your Notions with Analytics for Notion. It's really simple. It's in 2 steps. It's really easy to do and change this account here. So select the pages. I guess you to select every pages. Just select everything first. Then you allow the access. And then you will have to choose the pages that you want to track into your Notion workspace or all the Notion workspace. So I will have to check all. I save the changes. As you can see, every pages are selected, excluded the database for now, and you can see if there are a tracker or not into the pages. So what happened into your Notion right now? So if I am going to my Notions workspace, here I'm on the Notion pages that I'm tracking, then I will check every single page. And as each one, you can see that you have this embedded tracker analytics is activated. So it means that, as you can see, it's on the bottom of the pages. So here what we have. So as you can see, I have 4 user connections. I have 1 current active user, and you see that I have 22 views and 4 sessions on analytics user. So pages analytics, what we will have, as you can see, you will have the most viewed pages. You have this graph telling you a number of views, number of sessions. The most viewed page, number of page progressions. The less viewed page you have onto your Notion workspace, selected pages that you have. User analytics, number of new user, number of user connections, the device, desktop, locations analytics, here in France, total of user, and time analytics. It's actually when your user are actually it's when your user are connected to your Notion pages or workspace. So let's see that we have into your workspace. You have the basic plan that you can track the consumptions of the number of logs. You can exclude IP address if you don't want to be into your own statistics. You can embed Analytics for Notions graph directly to your Notions if you want to have your trackers and graph directly into your Notions. And you can have some mailing analytics reports if you want to have some. Notion synchronizations, as we have done first. If you want to make another one or move some pages, you can cancel the synchronization that you have already done and made a new one, and manage your Analytics for Notion workspace. You can delete it permanently. The tracked pages with the map tree of the Notions. So here is a really simple one, but even if you have big ones, you will see it for sure. Okay, so thanks a lot.